Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Coffee Cat. Today we're going to be using a blade grinder. I'm staying with my brother in Portland right now. Also, he's sleeping, that's why I'm whispering. But this is the second time in recent months that I've stayed with someone who doesn't have a burr grinder, just a blade grinder. So I figured it's about time that I learn how to use a blade grinder most effectively. And guess what? Guess who has a video on this? That's right, it's James Hoffmann. I swear half of my channel is just gonna turn into me using James Hoffmann's techniques, but he knows what he's talking about. So, two other things that we're gonna need. One is a sieve to get out the big pieces, and one is paper towels to get out the very small fines. So, we're ready to go. This works really well with a French press, which is good because that's also the brewing method that my brother has. I roasted this coffee right before I left Hawaii, so I'm excited to try it. Let's get to brewing, shall we? I don't have a scale, again. I should probably just buy a scale, a small scale, and travel with it, but I'm pretty good at eyeballing by now. So, first thing is to grind some coffee in here. First step is to shake when we're grinding, so we're gonna do that. If I can get the top on. Why is this hard? Huh. There we go. Did it. This looks pretty good. Take a look. I'm happy with that for a first go around. Now we're going to put it through the sieve. I'm going to sieve it right onto the paper towels. Now we're going to grind this bit again. All right, I think that's fine. The last step is to pass it over the paper towels a little bit so that the fines get stuck. So we got rid of the biggest bits and the smallest bits. That's a lot of fines, huh? I'm making a mess. Sorry, brother. I'm gonna do that again because this is not enough coffee to brew. Let's go again. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with this. Those go in here with the ones from before. And now we're going to use James Hoffmann's French press technique that I used before. This coffee is so active. And now we wait 4 minutes. Now we stir and skim. Dun, dun. And we wait 4 more minutes. All right, next step, this is broken. Well, we don't need to press it down very much anyway. We just need it to stop the Well, how about don't use a broken French press? I'm just gonna try and pour it. This isn't really doing anything, so that's fine. Cheers. Despite using a blade grinder and a broken French press, it tastes pretty good. Good morning, brother.
Morning.
Perfect timing. I just made coffee.
Oh, very nice.
Would you like some?
Sure.
Your French press is broken, by the way. Coffee that well, it's Hawaiian, but an varietal. Thoughts? Good?
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you brew with a blade grinder and a French press with James Hoffmann's techniques. Thanks, James.
Thanks, James.
Bye. Oh, I have to tell the people, if you liked this video, like it. Press the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe down below. Have you used a blade grinder before? If so, what were your circumstances? Like staying at brother's house? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What were your troubles with it? Have you tried James Hoffmann's technique? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. That's all for now. We're gonna enjoy our coffee now. Okay, bye. Thank you.